Welcome to my city, Shah Jahanabad, or Old Delhi as it is more commonly referred to. History might claim that this capital city of the Mughals was demolished some 150 years ago, but in reality, the city lives on, brimming like a melting pot of cultures and traditions. This festive season, let me take you along to witness a very beautiful tradition practiced in these very lanes of Chandni Chowk, which instills the very essence of diversity and inclusivity that India has always been all about. These are the bylanes of Dariba, the jewelers' market of Chandni Chowk. On every Dhanteras, a group of kinnars visit this market, dancing, celebrating the festival of wealth and prosperity. The jewelers welcome them into their shop and wholeheartedly give them huge sum of money and even jewelry. Their blessings are considered auspicious on this day as it ushers the subsequent arrival of goddess Lakshmi. The transgender community has always played an important role in this market, which dates back to the mid 17th century when this area of Chandni Chowk was commissioned by Shah Jahan's daughter Jahanara Begum. The shops of Dariba boasted the choicest jewels with the most alluring and intricate designs. Their regular customers were the wives and daughters of Amirs and Mirzas of the Grand Mughal court. They arrived in grand palanquins along with their Khwaja Saras who belonged to the transgender community and were appointed to protect and assist the women of Zanana. They would stand and guard on the doorsteps of these shops and gossip among each other on the various ongoing of the city as well as about which shop has the most trending fare. They passed on this information to their mistresses who would then visit the most sought after shops. The jewelers of this market thus always respected the Khwaja Saras, and although over time most of these shops have changed hand, the mutual respect still remains. Like many stratas over the society, with the advent of colonial rule, the transgender community also lost the important positions they used to hold in the society, something that wasn't restored after the independence. In today's day and age, when this community has been largely shunned by the society, it's so heartening to see how this age old tradition has still survived in the city of Shah Jahanabad. This Diwali, let's widen the horizon of our perspective such that the lamp of diversity and inclusivity shines so far and beyond the shackles of discrimination. For more such stories from Delhi and Shah Jahanabad, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.